In today's digital landscape, YouTube isn't just a platform for sharing videos, it's a goldmine for unique side hustles. While many creators focus on traditional monetization methods like ad revenue, there are countless unconventional ways to turn your passion into profit. From niche content creation to leveraging affiliate marketing and merchandise sales, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we'll explore innovative income streams that can help you stand out in a crowded market. Discovering these unique avenues not only enhances your earning potential but also allows you to express your creativity in exciting new ways. Let's dive in. Unboxing and reviewing unique products. Unboxing videos have taken the YouTube world by storm, captivating viewers with the thrill of discovery. The appeal lies in the excitement of seeing a product for the first time, combined with genuine reactions and insights. By focusing on niche products, creators can carve out a dedicated audience eager for recommendations. Additionally, partnering with brands for product reviews can lead to lucrative sponsorships and affiliate marketing opportunities. This not only boosts your income but also enhances your credibility. Embrace your creativity by selecting unique items that resonate with your audience, and watch your channel flourish while generating income. Creating ASMR content. ASMR, or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, refers to the tingling sensation some people experience in response to specific auditory or visual stimuli. This phenomenon has gained immense popularity on YouTube, with millions seeking relaxation and stress relief through ASMR videos. To create high-quality content, investing in a good microphone is essential, as sound quality is paramount. Additionally, consider using a camera that captures clear visuals. Engaging with the ASMR community is crucial for growth. Participate in discussions, collaborate with other creators, and respond to viewer comments. By fostering connections, you can expand your audience and enhance your ASMR side hustle. Virtual tours and travel vlogs. Virtual tours and travel vlogs offer exciting income potential for creators passionate about exploring the world. To create immersive experiences, focus on high-quality visuals and engaging narration that transports viewers to new destinations. Storytelling is key. Share personal anecdotes and cultural insights to make your content relatable and memorable. This connection keeps viewers coming back for more. Additionally, consider collaborating with local businesses for sponsorships, which can provide financial support while promoting authentic experiences. By blending captivating storytelling with strategic partnerships, you can turn your travel adventures into a thriving source of income while inspiring others to explore. Educational content and tutorials. Educational videos are a fantastic way to turn your expertise into a lucrative side hustle. Popular subjects like personal finance, cooking, coding, and DIY projects attract viewers eager to learn new skills. Monetization options abound, including ad revenue, sponsorships, and even selling online courses. To maximize engagement, focus on using captivating visuals and clear explanations that simplify complex topics. Incorporating graphics, animations, and real-life examples can enhance understanding and retention. By delivering valuable content that resonates with your audience, you not only establish yourself as an authority in your niche but also create a sustainable income stream through educational videos. Gaming live streams and Let's Plays. Gaming content has exploded in popularity, making it a promising side hustle for passionate gamers. The appeal of live streaming lies in its interactive nature, allowing viewers to engage with creators in real time, fostering a sense of community. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube offer various monetization options, including ad revenue, subscriptions, and donations from fans. To succeed, focus on building a loyal community around your gaming content by interacting with viewers, responding to comments, and hosting events. By creating a welcoming environment, you can enhance viewer engagement and turn your gaming passion into a sustainable income source while having fun. DIY and crafting videos. DIY and crafting content has surged in popularity on YouTube, captivating audiences with the joy of hands-on projects. Viewers are drawn to the satisfaction of creating something unique, whether it's home decor, fashion, or personalized gifts. This interactive format not only inspires creativity but also fosters a sense of accomplishment. Additionally, partnering with craft supply companies can open doors for sponsorships and product placements, providing financial support for your channel. To stand out, Encourage creativity and originality in your project ideas, showcasing innovative techniques and materials. By doing so, you can build a dedicated following and turn your passion into a thriving venture. In this video, we've explored a variety of unique YouTube side hustles, from unboxing niche products to creating ASMR content and engaging in DIY projects. The key takeaways are that there are countless unconventional ways to monetize your passion on this platform. By tapping into your creativity and connecting with your audience, you can discover innovative income streams that resonate with you. We encourage you to explore these opportunities and find what excites you the most. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, like, and share the video for more insights and tips on building your YouTube journey. Thank you for watching.